Okay, so we're going to be multiplying using an area model, multi-digit whole numbers. So in 4th grade, if we take an example like 43 times 12, we've always started with the ones column, and we've done 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. Now if we use an area model, we can take each of these numbers and use expanded form to break those apart. So we can draw our area model here, take the number 43, we can say that this is the length, and 12 is going to be our width, but we can write the number 12 in expanded form. So we have 2 ones plus 1 10, so that's going to be 10. 2 plus 10 is 12. And we remember that area equals length times width. So to find the total area for each of these, we're going to break this up into 2 sections. 43 times 2 is 86. And you'll see that we get the same thing, 86. Now over here, when we multiply the 1 in the tens column, we're going to do a 0 underneath the 6 and multiply 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 4 is 4, so we get 430. Using an area model, we would multiply the 43 times 10, because this 1 is really not a 1, it's in the tens place. So you're really multiplying 43 times 10. So 43 times 10 is 430. So we do get the same thing. To find the total area, we would add these together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. We carry the 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So the total area for 43 times 12 is 516. Now what if we take another example and we're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number? So let's see how that changes the look of our area model. What if we take a number such as 814 and multiply that by 39? Okay? 814, if we write that in expanded form, we're going to take each of these digits and break it apart. So we look at the 8 in the hundreds column, that's going to be the same thing as 800 plus the 1 in the tens column is going to be 10, plus the 4 in the ones column is going to be 4. We're going to break this up into parts so that we have our hundreds column, our tens column, and our ones column. Now we take the width, which is 39. We have 9 ones plus 3 tens, so that equals 30. So we have 39 times 814. So we start by multiplying 9 times 800. We can do 9 times 8 is 72, and we can add our 2 zeros. So 9 times 800 is 7,200. Plus 9 times 10 is 90, and plus 9 times 4 is 36. So when we add these 3 numbers together, that should be the same thing as our standard algorithm, 9 times 814. 9 times 4 is 36. We carry the 3. 9 times 1 plus 3 is 12. We're going to carry the 1. And 9 times 8 plus 1 is 73. So we do get the same thing, 7,326. Now we fill in the bottom section of our area model, 30 times 800. 30 times 800 can be 3 times 8, which is 24. And then we have 3 zeros in this problem. So we can just add those 3 zeros so that 30 times 800 is 24,000. 30 times 10, we can do 3 times 1 is 3, add 2 zeros, so 30 times 10 is 300. And 30 times 4, we can do 3 times 4 is 12, and we have 1 zero. So 30 times 4 is 120. So when we add 24,000 plus 300 plus 120, we should get 24,420. So let's go ahead and check that with our standard algorithm. We're going to place a 0 underneath the 6. 3 times 4 is 12. We place our 2. We regroup the 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 8 is 24. So we do get the same thing, 24,420. Now to find the total surface area for all 6 of these boxes, We would add all of those together. Over here we would add 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 plus 2 is 3. So the total surface area for all 6 of these boxes is 31,746. Stop it. Hold on.
It's on lock. It won't stop.